Yo, what's good producers? It's your boy Mikasa here. In this video, I'm about to show you how you can create some hard kicking drums, just like Southside, Metro Boomin and stuff. So stay with me if you want to make your beats kick hard. As you can see, I have already loaded some sounds here, and I have already loop. So if you want me to show you how you can make some loops like Southside, feel free to tell me in the comments below. But now I'm just about to create some only drums this time. And I'm about to tell you some tips and tricks that you can use in your beats, and you can improve your beats and make your kick hard, make beats hard, right? So as you can see, I have like a kick here, and I'm about to start with the kick first. So now make sure that you can do like you can open your kick, you can just click here, and you can boost it a little bit to make your kick super hard. So now I'm about just to play some kick pattern here, and that's it. This is kind of what I heard. Maybe I could play this one as well. Now we can just open sometimes piano roll, go to the kick and just boost it like this. So now we need like now this is like an important part where we need to focus on snares. And you know, like in most like a Southside beats and future beats, you got like a crazy snares, crazy hi-hats. So now I'm about to show you how we can create some of them. I have like this basic snare that we're gonna use. So like I start with the basic snare, again boosting it. Just place like a really simple snare here, like you always do. Now it's time for the counter snares, so follow me in this part. As you can see, I have already loaded two snares here. And now we can just use simple counter like this one. We can start with this one, or you can use to make it like a different. So don't use to make it always the same. So we can do something like this. So now after the first hits, place another one. So we got this. So now we can just place one more before the second hit. So we can use something like that. Try to improve your snares. Don't always make something similar. If you want to make this hard kicking drums. So we got this part here, and now I'm about to use one more snare, and we're about to make a more counter snares here. I can maybe play something here. And now I can maybe now play the basic snare counter. Try to beatbox in your head, I just play maybe sometimes just randomly and see how where is it leading you. So now, as you can see, these snares are playing big part in this type of beats and this type of drums. Now what you can also do, you can open a snare that you used, and you can just make some snare rolls. So I'm about to piano roll and maybe just make something really simple. Maybe something like this. Let's just hear it. Okay, this one sounds great. I'm about to just turn the volume down a little bit. Great. Like this. As you can see, beat now is really kicking, and now this is again a most important part as well. So follow me. We got I loaded hi-hats. So now we're about to just play each two steps just a basic hi-hat pattern. And I'll try to follow the snare and try to place rolls before and after the snare hits. So maybe something like this. So I'm gonna maybe something here. So now I'm about to create enough space to not everything going going crazy. I'm about to play somewhere where is a empty space to place the rolls. Maybe something here. I'm go play with the rolls. Don't overdo it, and play with the pitch. As you can see, place hi-hat rolls on different notes. as you can see, beat is now really kicking hard. As you can see now, you can just play with those rolls like but don't overdo it. Can make them like a really crazy, but don't like a just don't like a place only rolls. Now I have 808s here. I'm about just to copy the kick pattern and follow the make 808 follow the kick. That's pretty much it for the 808s. I'm about to cut itself, so each note will play itself. They won't clash. And now in this type of beats, I'm about to use maybe like a two type of heads. I have like this one, and I'm about to clone it real quick, and I'm about to reverse it. So now I'm just about to play with some time here. So maybe turn the length, short it a little bit. And sometimes with the high open heads, you can follow the 808s or kick pattern the same, or you can just place them randomly and see what works best for you. But I'm about to just follow it with the kick and 808. What I wanted to use is like an open head, because sometimes beats go crazy when you have like a reversed open head. Maybe let's maybe place it here. As you can see, beat is really kicking hard this time. So that's basically pretty much it. That's like a basic tutorial for this type of drum kit, drums. I'm about to like copy everything and paste it on channel rack and make a little arrangement here, so we have like some kind of intro. And let's get it. I'm about to split by channel everything. Let's copy everything, and that's it. Okay, we got this. We got. Oh, sorry. Just copy everything here, adjust it. And that's it. Maybe I'll just start beat with this. And let's hear the beat. Now we can just put some reverse it, FX, tag, and that's it. Let's go. That's pretty much it, guys. So now let's just hear for the video. So let's hear just only drums now without the loop, and let's see how they sound right now. They go pretty crazy. Best like a drum kits, a drum pattern for like a Southside beat for the future, and for all like those artists that like I have hard kicking drums in their beats. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Feel free to send me like the drums that you made, maybe from this video or from anywhere else. Feel free to join our Discord. Link will be down below in the description. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you next video.